Hello everyone, my name's Sasha and today I want to show you how to make one of these little dragonflies. Okay, for this project you're going to need some pliers, some wire and some beads. And to start I'm just going to put one bead on and get these round nose pliers and just make a little loop at the top. There we go. It'll look like that. And now I want to push the bead up and put a bend. And then to start on the wings, move that out the way. To start on the wings, I want to just pull it to the side and bend it back. There we go. It'll look like that. And then I just want to do that again on this side so that it makes the wings. I'm going to do it again so we can make 4 wings. We'll make a bit of an infinity sign here. It's okay if they a little bit not round on the end because we can fix that later. And then I want to squish them together so that it's easier to go around with this piece of wire. Bend that down and then hold them all together and turn this round. Round all those pieces of wire that make the wings. Here we go. It'll look like that. They're a bit squished together right now, but we'll open them up just now. And then I want to put some beads on for the tail. 2, 3. I like having an odd number of beads for the tail. It just looks prettier. And then I'm going to put a loop at the bottom with the round nose pliers. There we go. And cut off the excess. And I'm going to get some normal pliers just to adjust this loop at the bottom. There we go. Now I just want to pull the wings out a little bit, adjust so that they look more like a dragonfly. And I like doing a little curve in the tail, just looks a bit more whimsical. There you go, little dragonfly. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to support the channel.